Okay, so this is phase 1 of your exercise program, healing the 6 steps to healing your diastasis. So what this is going to do is this is really going to be very slow movements. So I want you to remember that. It's not like going to be jumping into things. We're not doing jumping jacks or planks or anything like that. We're literally going to start so slow and subtle so that you can really work on that muscle-mind connection, because that's where it starts, right? So you can go ahead and get yourself to the floor safely, the way that we've practiced. So the first one we're going to do is little pelvic tilt. So first, let's just get our pelvis in that position, making sure your shoulders are down and back. You can put your legs out like this. So you're feeling that. You can start diaphragmatically breathing. Excuse me. And what we're going to do is we're going to do pelvic tilt. So first we're just going to do them with our feet out like this, and then we'll bring them up to knees. So making, you have that tray of marbles here, right? So you have that tray of marbles. What you're going to do in that little strawberry or that grape, whatever you have under here, you're going to inhale and then exhale, and you're going to kind of scoop. Now you're moving that tray of marbles, you're letting them go down towards your belly button, okay? And then on the inhale, you're going to level it back out. So it's so subtle, and I hope you can kind of see that. But balancing that tray, you can have your hands here so you can feel it. This is really working this lower portion of your core and all of the rest. So inhale and then exhale. Now I really want you to go at your own pace with this, okay? I don't want you to be keeping with me, because the goal of it is for you to be feeling it and to moving it. So we're going to do this for about 20 seconds now, 30 seconds ideally, but and making sure your shoulders are in check the whole time and you're not bracing down, okay? Now on this inhale, on this exhale, I want you to bring your feet up, your knees up. I don't know what that's called. Is there a position for that? So inhale, exhale, no pelvic tilt, just making that core belly pump, okay? So your knees are here. Now we're going to take a few of those pelvic tilts in this position. So inhaling. You might be able to feel more movement here on that because of the position of your legs. So scooping, just using your core here. You're not using your glutes, you're not using your shoulders, your back, solely your core. We're going to take one more. Okay? So hopefully you're feeling that and making that connection. The next one we're going to do is literally we're going to work on getting our knees up. Because ultimately that's where you want to work towards, okay? So again, you're going to inhale. On the exhale is when you're going to pick up that leg. So inhale. We're keeping our marbles flat now though, our tray, okay? The pelvic tilt is the only time where you're scooping and making them come in towards your navel. The rest of these exercises, you're going to keep that tray of marbles flat, okay? Now you're going to feel more pressure here. If you're seeing any doming or coning presenting, you can put one leg down, okay? And just work on one leg at a time. And then inhale, and now they're up, okay? So now they're up and you're gonna put this one down, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold on, Via, I'm making a video. Oh, yes. Okay, inhale. We're going to go for one more. Hold it. Keep breathing. Remember, at any time, you feel free to pull one leg down if you need to, if you cannot keep them both here. Okay? That is okay. So let me demonstrate. This is what it would look like. This would be where you're at. And that's okay. Okay? These are these options for you. Okay? The next one we're going to do is, okay, the arms. So we're going to keep our knees like this, and we're literally going to get that shoulder rotation going while keeping our core engaged. But this is important because you want to keep your shoulders down. So you're going to inhale, expand, keeping that tray, that little strawberry there, that tray of marbles, and you're going to go up. So on the exhale, going up, okay? You don't want to be jerking your body, curving up. You're keeping that same straight alignment, and you're literally using your deep core to move your arm. The other one. Fix your head. Just constantly being cautious of your alignment. Going at your own pace here. Okay, focus on your breathing, not mine. We're going to do 3 more on each side. So going at your pace, 2 more. And last one. Now you can release, take some diaphragmatic breathing here. What you're going to notice is that it's probably going to be challenging for you to do those while keeping so stable, but that's what's going to help everything heal here, okay? The next one we're going to do is what I call heel slides, and remember, it's coming from the core. So it's not a matter of like jerking, using your leg motion, it's a matter of keeping your core stable and coming from here. So inhaling, keeping that marble tray here. You can put your hands here if you need to. Pulling up, connecting, closing. Inhale on the way up. So inhale. Oh, exhale now, down. Exhale down. Keeping those hips stable, the back, the shoulders down. We're taking those active breaths. Remember, we're expanding through here. Keeping that lower core engaged this whole time, guys. Let's go for 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. And release. Excellent. We're going to do 2 more here. 1 more, I lied to you. These are knee drops. So these are little, sorry, I hate talking to you when I'm laying down. These, your legs are gonna go to the side. Again, it's really keeping this stable, and this is harder than the rest of the moves that we just did. So go at your own pace. If you can only open a slight angle, that's okay. Start there, and then you can progress as we go. Again, this is very much, you don't want to be swinging, tightening, so checking your form. Arms down. You're going to inhale. Excuse me. On the exhale, you're going to go down. Everybody's range of motion is different, and I'm going to turn for you so that you can see this in hopes that you can see it. Okay. So it's literally, this is what we're doing. Inhale. Exhaling, inhaling on the way up. Maybe you can go here, probably not. This is hard for me. And I'm 8 months postpartum. Nice job keeping it at your own pace. Inhaling, expanding that rib cage. Exhaling, up the pelvic floor, tighten that corset, close those hips, zip up. And release. Okay, that's all for the phase 1. And I really want to encourage you to remember to be going at your own pace. You can repeat this and do 2 rounds of that, but you are not to move on to phase 2 until you feel so confident and connected in these moves that you can bring it to the next level, okay?